Almost every time when we are cooking, there is music playing on the speaker in the kitchen. My idea was to automatically play some music when we start cooking. When a surge in power is seen on the electrical circuit which powers the oven and the hot plate, music is automatically started. Same goes for when dinner is ready. After cooking, we move to the living room and the music can stop in the kitchen. This is a very simple automation triggered by the power measurements logged by the Shelly 1PM. The goal of this automation is to count the amount of coffees I drink during the day. For this, I look at the power consumption data of the second electric circuit in the kitchen. Not only the coffee machine is connected to this circuit, but also the freezer, a speaker, and a battery-powered vacuum cleaner. This makes it more difficult to count the coffees because we have to filter out the power consumption related to the coffee machine. Luckily, the coffee machine has a consistent power profile during brewing. This makes it easy to look for the coffee-related power spikes. On the graph, we see 4 spikes. The first 3 are for making a coffee at different times before noon. The last one is from the microwave during lunch. The maximum power peak for the coffee is consistently between 1500 and 1700 watts. This is the first criteria to distinct a coffee run. The second criteria is that after entering the selected power band, the power consumption will not exceed the upper limit of 1700 watts. If it does exceed, it goes up, it will probably be a different device, like the microwave in this example. If the 2 criteria are met, the counter increments automatically, and thus keeping track of the amount of coffees I drink during the week. A possible upgrade to this automation could be to send out a notification to my phone if I exceed my self-claimed daily limit of 3 coffees. How does Home Assistant know when the laundry machine is on? Based on the power consumption of that electrical circuit, we can make a distinction between a running and a non-running laundry machine. On this graph is the power consumption data from the circuit when the laundry machine was on. When the consumed power of that circuit exceeds 50 watts for longer than 10 minutes, we can conclude that the laundry machine is on. After that, we see some power peaks and some power drops below 50 watts, but never for longer than 10 minutes. Only at the end of the cycle, we see that the power drops below 50 watts for a longer time period. And this will trigger an automation that sends out a notification to my phone, alerting me to take out the clothes.